So here is a 12 Parks senior community. In one of our other videos, we had looked at 12 Parks, which was not necessarily a senior community. They got some pickleball courts. So let's just ride around and take a look at the subdivision. Because if you're looking for low maintenance, a lot of ability to be with other people of your same age group, this would definitely be a new build subdivision for senior citizens that we would want to go take a look at. They have a lot of availability out here, and they are building a lot. If you look over here to the left, you can see that they're already building quite a few other homes, and they have quite a few available homes out this way. So let's see what they got for sale. So we're sitting right here. This one that we're looking at is listed. It's 4 bedrooms, 4 baths. It's listed at $486,000. So they have a clubhouse out here. You got active living. It's a contemporary architectural feel. Residents 55 and better is how they have it advertised. Lawn maintenance is included in these houses. So the beautiful thing about that is you do not have to take care of your yard. No one is having to call somebody to do it. The HOA in here is taking care of that. Let me look and see what the HOA dues are. So most of these, $165 monthly on the HOA dues. So most of these are about 3,000 square foot homes. So they're a large home for a senior citizen community, 55 plus. You're going to have high ceilings in these homes, gas log fireplaces, a family room with fireplace in it, pull downstairs attics. They have lofts in them. Most of these are going to be 4 bedrooms. Almost all of them are going to have primaries on the main, 2-car garage. This is Willis Road Elementary, Lee Middle, East Coweta High School. Not that that matters in this neighborhood, but it does tell you an idea of exactly where you're going to be at. So these all have patios on the back porch. We are coming up to another one we just passed one that was listed at $447. So that gives you an idea of starting price point in here. They're running anywhere from the low end of $436 to the higher end of closer to $500,000. But they're really cute. You got sidewalks, so if you're a walker, you can walk. This is a much smaller neighborhood, but they do have an additional addition. So if you want to know more about the amenities and all of the things that this neighborhood's going to offer, you can give me a call. We can talk a little bit more about it. I will drive over to the side of the neighborhood that they haven't built yet, because the great thing about a new build is sometimes you can pick your lot, pick your outside color choices, pick the choices on the siding color, inside tile work you get to pick. So getting into a neighborhood early, you also get to find, let's not run over that person there. Getting into a neighborhood early, you also get to find the perfect lot. So let's go across the way real fast. And we will show you all of the other available lots. So here are some in the front end that they just got ready. But as you can tell, this is going to be the whole section. So when we get up to that sign, let's get a video of that sign right there so we can show all of our people. So just some of the things that, like, oh, well, I thought that was going to be a sign for what the amenities were, but it's telling the people what they're allowed to do in here and what they're allowed not to do while they're building it, like all of the builders, all of the construction workers. So there are definitely lots of lots still available. So getting in on these lots early. See, you can see available. These are going to be the next lots that they're getting ready to build out. This one's already been taken by somebody. You can tell they're laying down the foundation. They got it all flattened out. They got the gravel laid down to start pulling in all of the items. So it is sold. It is sold. It's going to be a really big 55 plus community. Wow, it goes back in here pretty deep. Great location because you're so close to Sharpsburg main intersection where the new Piedmont place is at, the hospital place, the Costco, the Sam's, the movie theater, Peachtree City, you're probably 10 minutes away from. So it's very convenient. You are out in the country just a little bit, not too much, and it's super convenient to all of the shopping. So you can tell that we're coming back around to the back end over there. I don't know how many available lots are out here, but we'll definitely find out. And we'll link our contact card so you're able to give us a call so we can get you more information, because you definitely want to have an agent when you're looking at new builds to protect you on the buy side, because the new build agent is working for the builder and you want to have representation, and they take care of us buyers agents. So I really like, this is a 55 plus community that are the same builders, the Lennar home builders that built the other 12 park subdivision. So if you watch the other video of our 12 parks, you will see that they have just smaller subdivision. It's not a huge area. So you're not going to get lost in here. You're probably going to feel like you know your neighbors. And you're getting everything taken care of. So if you're thinking about looking for a 55 plus subdivision, there's multiple ones in the Sharpsburg area. Give me a call. My name is Sheree Macaroni. My number is 229-563-3116. I would love for you to watch our next video, and I will see you next time.